This conference will now be recorded.
Okay guys, pointer stores a address. Why do you call it a bad pointer? Why do you call it a bad pointer? Okay, that is your task. Okay, what is a bad pointer? I will tell you. See this, bad pointer or wild pointer. Okay, which pointer is not initialized with, right, which pointer is not initialized with any address, then it is called, or uninitialized pointer variable. We call it a uninitialized pointer variable is called bad pointer. Okay, which pointer is not initialized with any address. For example, see this. If you write like this int star p, then it is called bad pointer, guys. Okay, it is pointing some address, right? That is a garbage address. It points to some garbage address. We don't know which address it points. Okay, which pointer is not initialized with any address, then it is called bad pointer. Okay, in the real-time applications, we should not use bad pointers, guys. Okay, in real-time applications, we should not use bad pointers. We should not use bad pointers. Okay, we should not write like this, guys, in the applications. For example, if you are developing any game, now in our programs nothing will happen, right? Whatever the programs we are writing, those programs nothing will happen, right? For example, if you develop any application, we should not write like this. Okay, next one is null pointer. Yeah, which pointer variable is initialized with null? Which pointer variable is initialized with? Which pointer variable is initialized with null? Then it is called null pointer. Okay, which pointer variable is initialized with null? For example, int star p equals to null. Okay, you should not write wild pointers, guys, the application. Then how to write? We have to initialize with null. Means null pointer means it is not pointing to any memory location. Okay, write that point also. Null pointer means it is not pointing to any memory location. It is not pointing to any memory location. Int star p equals to null. Okay, we can write like this. Null value is 0, guys. We can write int star p equals to 0 also. Okay, but here one warning it shows, right, non-portable pointer conversion. Okay, we cannot assign the values, right, directly. That's why convert it to address. How to convert into address? Int star. I told two warnings. One is suspicious, second one is null pointer, non-portable pointer conversion. Okay, values you cannot assign. This is also null pointer, this is also null pointer. What is null exactly, right? What is null? Null is a predefined macro. That value is 0. Null is a predefined macro. Okay, macro means function, guys. Function another form. Okay, function another form. Okay, it is defined as see this, how they have defined as, this is defined like this, as defined. Null value is how much? 0. That null value is how much, guys? That is 0. Okay, null replaces with null value 0 with replace with 0, guys. If you write null means nothing but a 0. Where they have defined in stdio.h, right, stddf.h, okay, in these two header files it is defined. When you write null, guys, we have to write either stdio.h or stddf.h. Clear? Next one. Yeah, one small question. Next one. Can we access integer data with character pointer? Write a question. Yeah, question right, guys. What is the meaning of this? Integer data can we access with character pointer or not? Right, that is the question, right? Can we access integer data?
వీరికి కూడా బలులు వచ్చి తెచ్చినాయా?
Can we access integer data with character pointer? Question is that. Okay. Write a question, guys. Yeah, in the first program I told you guys, you can check it. This complete this road, right? Question is, can we access integer data with character pointer? Yeah, see, in the first program I told you, in the pointers first program, I have given one diagram also, right? What is in the diagram? See, this diagram I have given, right? Integer pointer access the data from 2 bytes. Character pointer access the data from 1 byte. For example, see this. Now I want to write a program. See guys. Program execution starts from main, right? Void main. See this. Now I want to take integer data, guys. Can I take integer data? Yes. Integer x equals to 320. Okay. Now I will take one more pointer. Can I take integer pointer? Yes, we can take. Okay, but I don't want to take integer pointer. Character star p. Okay. Now I'll write p equals to address of x. P is where it is pointing. Address of x. One warning message will be shown. What is the warning is that? Character address. Okay, integer address, one type of address into assign into another kind of pointer. Then that warning message is what? Suspicious pointer conversion, right? Now I am trying to print percentile star p. Then how to remove that warning? You know, right? Your character pointer expects character address. Convert to character address. How to convert to character address? That is suspicious pointer conversion, right? See once. That is suspicious. Okay, it is showing a error also. Now I will save it as .c extension. Save as .c extension, guys. Now it shows now it's warning. Now it is considered as C++ program, guys. Now I'll save as any name.c. That is your wish. Okay. Now compile now. If I compile, now it is warning. Suspicious pointer conversion. Why? It's a character integer address we are assigning to character pointer. Then how to remove that warning? Warning only we can execute it. Nothing will happen. Now I converted to character address. Okay. See this. Now I will write this program. Okay. Guys, tell me, write this program and tell me the output. Yeah, what is the answer? Start p means what? You know, right? P is address, start p is the value, right? Now what you will get answer? We check it once. Yeah, guys, what is the answer? 160. Why 160 power? 160. Yeah, what are other answers? Others? Yeah, see this guys. In this point, what I said, integer pointer access data from 2 bytes, character pointer access the data from 1 byte. Okay. How this value will be stored? 320 value stored in how many bytes? Integer 2 bytes, right? For example, I will take integer guys. Integer value, how it will store in 2 bytes. For example, I will write 2 bytes, 1001 and 1002. Yeah guys, 320 value. This is I will write we write a binary from right to left, right? This is, for example, it is a 1000. Okay, this is a 1001. This value is stored in 2 bytes. Okay, 320 binary value. How to write 320 binary value? 320 by 2. We know, right? How to do this? 320 by 2. Okay, we do like this, right? 160 0. You know, right? This process 160 by 0, right? Remainder is 0 while dividing with 2. Like that, I will write. See this 320 0. What is 320 0? I will get this answer. 160 0 by 2, right? 160 0. Next by 2 again. Do it. 80 0. Binary value. How to do this? 80 0. Again 40 0. Reminder 20 0 by 2. Reminder 20 0. 10 0. Okay. 5 0. Reminder 2 times. Reminder is 1, right? 5 by 2 is 1 time last 0. Total binary value is how much? 1 0 1, right? This is a 1 0 1 and 6 zeros. That is the binary value, right? 1 0 1 6 zeros. All reminders we have to take, guys. 1 0 1 6 zeros. Clear? Yeah. In 1 byte, how many bits will be stored? 8 bits, right? Now 8 bits I will store here. 8 bits. 0 1 6 zeros. 8 bits will be stored. What about other bit? Only 1 bit, right? Remaining 7 bits are zeros. 0 0 0, right? 7 zeros and 1. This is 8 bits. Are you following, guys? 7 zeros and total we got 9 bits. Remaining bits are zeros only, right? Now what is a pointer? If we take a pointer, which pointer we have taken? Character pointer. That is PR, PTR. Yeah, character pointer points to base address. What is base address? Starting address. Nothing but it is started at 1000 location. It points to 1000 location. Clear it is? Yeah. Now star p means what? Star p means which pointer it is? Character pointer. Character pointer, how many bytes it access? 1 byte. From the diagram, you know, right? This you understood. Character pointer access the data from 1 byte. Now what is the answer, guys? Tell me if I write star p, what is the answer, guys? Star p means how much? 1 byte data. What is the 1 byte data? This data. How to count, guys? This is 2 power 0. We can count like this: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, right? 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. Where ones are presented, add those values. 2 power 6. What is 2 power 6, guys? 2 power 6 nothing but a how much? 2 power 6 is nothing but a 64, right? Yeah, that is the answer. Character pointer access only 1 byte data, not 2 bytes data, because character, for example, if p is an integer pointer, it accesses 2 bytes data. Okay, now only character pointer, right? It accesses 1 byte data. See once. Now if I write 64, we'll get answer. Yeah, 64, but clear screen. I want to remove the previous output. CLR SCR, clear screen. See the output, guys, 64. Got it? Guys, you understood why you got 64? Because of character pointer access 1 byte data. Character pointer access 1 byte data. This access only 1 byte. For example, if I will write 280, guys, tell me answer. If I write 280, what is the answer, guys? Tell me. If I give 280, what is the answer? Yeah, very good, Sai Kavya. Yeah, guys, others tell me. First write the binary value. What did you get binary value? Tell me, guys. Others guys, tell me. 32. How did you get 32 pound? Ravi, okay, good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, guys, 280 binary value. What is the binary value you got? 280 binary value, tell me. For example, 280 binary value if I write, what is 280 binary value? I want to write 280 binary value. See once, 280 binary value, how much? 140 0 na? Yeah, 140 0. Next, 70 0, yes, right? By 2, 35 by 2. Then remainder is 0. 35, 17 remainder is 1. Next, 8 remainder is 1. Yes. Now continuation. Again, I will write continuation. 4, right? Yeah, 8 1. Next, 4, right? 4 0. Next, 2 0. Next, 1 0. Now what is the value? 1 double 1 triple 0 double 1 triple 0. 1 triple 0 double 1 triple 0. This is a binary value of 280, right? Yeah, if you write binary value, 1 byte value, you write. This is a 1 byte value. 1 triple 0 double 1 triple 0. Okay, now I will write, see this. For example, 280 binary value is this. How to count this? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4. What is 2 power 3? 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 4, 16. 8 plus 16, it's a 24. That is a 1 byte value of 280. If I write a 280, that answer will get. The following is 1 triple 0, double 1 triple 0. Then answer is 280 if I give. Answer is what? 24. Got it, guys? Yeah, draw this diagram also. 280 binary value, 1 byte value will be stored. Okay. Completed this diagrams also, right? How character pointer access 1 byte? You understood, right? Pointer access depends upon the address. What kind of address you are storing? If I store character address, it stores it accesses 1 byte data. If we store a integer address, it stores 2 bytes data. Depends upon a type it is. Depends upon type. Clear it is? Got it? Now question answer, guys. What is the answer for this question? Yeah. Can we access integer data with character pointer? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can we access integer data with character pointer? No, guys, because we did not get right properly. If I give 320, we got only 64. If I give 280, we got only 24. Okay, you did not get properly, right? Because character pointer access only 1 byte data, integer value stored in, right? What is the reason? Can we access integer data with character pointer? No, because integer data stored in, because integer data stored in integer data stored in 2 bytes, but character pointer access only 1 byte of data, 1 byte data, only 1 byte of data. Okay, remaining 1 byte is data loss. Remaining 1 byte data loss. Remaining 1 byte for data is loss. You understood? Data loss. We call it as a remaining 1 byte of data is loss. Clear it is? You understood this point, right? Okay. Because integer data stored in 2 bytes, but character pointer accesses only 1 byte of data, right? In this case, can you access integer data with character point? No, data loss occurs. Write that point. Data loss occurs. Okay, what is the data loss? Remaining of 1 byte of data is, that is a loss. Clear? Yeah. Now what is required? Okay, you understood, right? This point. You cannot access one kind of data with other kind of pointer. From this point you understood, right? Now next question, see. Yeah, what is the use of pointer? Guys, in the first class I told you what is the use of pointer. Pointer use is what? Fast accessing. I told you, right? Without visiting card without visiting card and without with visiting card difference, right? For example, if you have address, what happens? If there is no address, what happens? For example, I want to meet one person in Hyderabad. I don't have address. Is it possible to meet that person? Yes, it's possible, but it takes more than 1 year. Okay, why? Because 1 lakh houses are there in the Hyderabad. We have to check one house in the Hyderabad, 1 lakh to check all houses. It takes a lot of time. Are you following, guys? If you have address directly, we can go to that location. We can meet that person. You understood, right? Why pointer is important? Pointer nothing but address we store. Directly we can go there and we can pick the data from that location. Okay, that is a use of pointer. Pointers use is fast accessing from the memory. Are you following? Right. Now my question is, if fast is important only in the application. Next what? Yeah, Pawan, we did not get 320, right? What did you get? 64 only we got, right? 325 give 64 you got. Remaining is data loss only, right? We did not get properly character pointer. Star P and how much in 1 byte of data only you got, right? Pawan. Yeah. Now my question is, now next what to do? For example, see, now we discuss about void pointer. Why void pointer? What is a void pointer, guys? Right. Third pointer is void pointer. What is third point? Void pointer or generic pointer? Right. What is generic pointer? Generic pointer of C and C++. Generic pointer of C and C++ is called void pointer. Generic pointer of C and C++ is called void pointer. Generic pointer means, right, next point. Generic pointer, I will explain this. Generic pointer means can access and manipulate any kind of data. It can access and manipulate any kind of data. Okay, next, right? And we are working with void pointer, second point, and we are working with void pointer. I will explain this. What is this note also, right? When we are working with void pointer, type specification will be decided at runtime. To work with void pointers, we need to perform typecasting process. Write these 2 points, guys. Generic pointer of generic means any kind of data, generic skills. Okay, general means, what is general? Generic means any kind of generic. Okay, generic means any kind of data or any kind of yes, completed. Yeah, what is a void pointer, guys? Right, it is a generic point. Important, guys, this is generic pointer or void pointer. For example, see, guys, in one application, okay, we have integer data. We have, for example, integer data, character data. We have character ch equals to capital A, character data and float data also we have. Different kinds of data we have, guys. 4.5. Okay. Can I work with pointers? Why do you work with pointers? You know, right? Pointer increases the speed of the program, right? Now I will take which pointer, guys? For to access integer pointer, we take integer pointer, right? To access with character, we take character pointer, character star q. Okay. And a float point for to access float, we work with the float star r. Yeah. Why do you take pointers? To increase the speed, right? You know, guys, WhatsApp, many messengers apps are there, many messenger or chat apps are there. Why WhatsApp is very famous? Tell me, guys, why very famous? That is the second highest users. Previously TikTok is the highest users app, right? Worldwide, TikTok has highest users. Next one is WhatsApp. Okay, that is a band, right? Anyway, in the India, TikTok. Yeah, clear. Why WhatsApp is very famous for in the chat kind of apps, right? Many are there, you know, right? Telegram, WeChat, different apps are there. But why it is a famous? Because of fast execution. For example, if I want to send one video, guys, if I want to send one video in seconds or minutes, it will send to the destination, right? WhatsApp. For example, if you try to send a video now, for example, after 1 month, if sent successfully, do you use WhatsApp? You want to use, right? Yeah, WhatsApp, it sends the data or it processes the data with the fastness. Okay, that's why I use WhatsApp. For example, fastness is important, and also, for example, to download WhatsApp, 1 GB is there. Okay, do you download WhatsApp? Memory also important, guys. How much it is occupying is also important. For example, 1 GB WhatsApp is there. Do you download a WhatsApp? You want to download, right? We take only light apps, nothing but a small memory sizes, which one it occupies, right? Those apps only we use. Okay, fastness also important, and also size also important, guys. How much it is occupying the size. For example, if you work with the pointers, what happens? It increase the speed, that is good. And also it takes a memory, right? For example, see here, integer how many bytes? 2 bytes. Character how many bytes? 1 byte, right? Float how many bytes? 4 bytes. Yeah, here pointers, how many pointers? 3 pointers are there. Each pointer takes how many bytes? 2 bytes. This is 7 bytes for data and 6 bytes for, see, to send the data 7 bytes, for pointers again same bytes of data. Do you use the same bytes? For example, 100 GB data I want to send. To send 100 GB of pointers, do you use again? It's a waste of memory, right? Yeah. If you work with 3 pointers, what happens, guys? It increases the speed, that is good, but here it increases the memory also. Okay, can I remove the data? Removing data is, that is not possible. Data is important. We cannot remove the data. Data is important. Can I remove the pointers? Yeah, it's a possibility is there. Instead of working 3 pointers, we can work with 1 pointer, guys. What is that pointer name? That is a wide pointer, right? How to take a wide pointer? See, guys, instead of these all pointers, guys, now we take only 1 pointer, that is wide star p. What is wide star p? It's a wide pointer. Now it occupies 2 bytes, guys. Okay, not all 6 bytes. Now we can reduce. For example, if it is 100 GB data with the 2 pointer with 2 bytes, we can access. Are you following? If it is 100 GB data also with the 2 bytes, with the one pointer we can access. 7 bytes, it is the 2 bytes. For example, if it's 100 MB data also, we take 2 bytes only. Understood, I think, right? Why what is the use of pointer? Instead of pointer increases the speed, we cannot take that many pointers. For each kind of data type we can't take. For all data types we take 1 pointer. It's a wide pointer. Okay, wide means there is no any type. Wide pointer ante wide ante a type ledani ardham. It's not any type. Okay, see, guys, how to work with the wide pointer. Now I will show you. Yeah, this pointer also, see, generic pointer means it can access and manipulate. Accessing, manipulating means we can change it also, right? Any kind of data, that is a use of pointer. Now see, what is this pointer? I will explain. I will take 3 points, three kind of data. See once how to take three kinds of data, guys. Now I will take integer data, character pointer, right series. Integer data, take integer data. Int x is 10. Character data. Can I take character data? Yes. This is a character data. Float data. Can I take float pointer? 4.5. I have taken integer, character, and float. Yeah, which one, guys? I will take a one pointer. How to take a void pointer? That is void star p or ptr. That is your wish, guys. Pointer name is your wish. Okay. Now p is what? I want to access integer data, guys. How to access integer data? If you want to access integer data, first you should point to integer. Okay. P equals to address of x. Now I am pointing to x. Print the value of x, guys. How to print the value? See this. Slash and x value is percentile d star p. P is the address of x, right? What is p? Address of x. Star p is the value of x it has to show. But star p, whenever you are showing star p, what is star? For example, your address is required. Star address. Which address? For example, integer address, it accesses integer data. Star integer address, integer access it. If it is a character address, it accesses character. But star p, what kind of address it is? P is what? Void type, right? P is what? Void type. Is there any type? There is no any type, guys. Now star p means it's not integer, it's not character address because it's a void type. P is a which type. Now it shows string. Compiler it is showing error. What is the error, guys? Errors, three warnings. What are three warnings? We discuss later. See once. మనం యూజ్ చేయలే కాబట్టి అవి వార్నింగ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి XYZ those values. One error. What is the error? Not an allowed type. Why it's not an allowed type? There is no type, guys. What is star? Star access the data, but which how many bytes it has to access depends upon the address. What address is there? We don't know the which address. Void type. If it is a void type, how many bytes you have to access? We don't know. That's why see this point. When we are working with the void pointer, type specification will be decided at runtime. Okay, we don't know. At runtime only decides. To work with the void pointer, we need to perform typecasting process. What I will do, guys, here, this p value, p is a type. There is no type, right? It is showing error. That's why I will convert to integer type, integer pointer type. Now this address is converted to int star. Int star means integer address. Now how many bytes it access? 2 bytes. Nothing but integer data it access. Now see this, no error. Now x value is 10. Okay, now. Now same character pointer. I want to access a p equals to address of ch. Why ch? Now I want to access character. Now can I print the value? See this printf. We are trying to print the value of ch. Ch value equals to percentile star p. Why I wrote percentile c? It's a character, right? That's why percentile c. Integer percentile d. Now compile and run. Anything you can do. One error. What is the error, guys? Not an allowed type because typecasting is required. What do you have to typecast? We are accessing character, right? What do you have to write, guys? Char star we have to write. Are you following? We have to write p ni convert చేస్తున్నామని అర్థం. P value are converting to integer address, P value are converting to character address. Then here it access 1 byte, then here it access 2 bytes. Now P equals to what is the next value? P equals to address of F. Okay. Now see this printf. Print the F value, guys. How to print the F value? F value is percentile F star P. Now I am writing percentile F star P. See the value, guys. How to print? Now compile again, still error, one error, not an allowed type. What to do, guys? This is we have to write float star. Why? Because P converted to float address. Now is there any errors? No errors, no warnings. Can I access the data? Yes, we can access. See this x value, right? The previous if you want to remove the previous output, now we can write clear screen, guys. It removes the clear screen. See this x value is 10, ch value is a, f value is 4 point something. You understood? Integer data, character data, and float data I access. Okay, now? Yeah, guys, write this program. Completed? Huh? Completed, guys. Now I will give another program on void pointer. See, yeah, size of void is error. Size of void star. Void pointer takes 2 bytes. 0 or error it gives pawn. Size of void is not defined. 0 or in some compilers 0 it shows and or error 0 or error. There is no type, right? That's why. Yeah, yes. Completed, right? Next one. See, void pointer example. One more example, right? Question on void pointer, guys. Yeah, now I am writing void pointer equals to, see this. Void star p equals to 1000. It is pointing which location? 1000 location. A non-portable pointer conversion we get. That's why I want to write void star. Okay. Now I want to do p plus plus. What is p plus plus? You know, right? Yeah, p plus plus also. This is also p plus plus and p plus plus. Now print the value of series. Now percentile u, print the address of p. Guys, tell me what is the address of this? What is the p value? Output of this program? P plus plus I told you, right? Yesterday class. What is p plus plus? I told you. Deepika is saying 1004. Why 1004, Deepika? Why 1004?